Welcome to Classic Cars of Sarasota. Today we are going to look at this 1966 427 425 horsepower 4-speed convertible in beautiful red with black interior. You can see 4-speed. It's got the telescopic wheel. 796 miles on the odometer. Knockoff wheels, side pipes. Again, 427. Beautiful, beautiful paint. No flaws in the paint. Great condition. Chrome is in very good condition. See the knockoff wheels. The back deck. Again, paint is in fantastic shape, no issues on this 66 big block. We'll get it up in the air shortly. The underneath of it looks just as good as the top. Again, side pipes on this 427, 425 horse. Correct factory, 4-speed, Posi rear end. Power disc brakes, tinted glass, side exhaust. Again, a great example of a 66 big block. Very clean. We'll go ahead and get it started for everybody as well so you can hear it. Hear the side exhaust. Just so you see, everything is cold. I'll do a cold start for you. So we're getting inside. If you are interested, please give us a call at 941-355-1955 or visit our website. On our website you'll see additional pictures. This video will be posted there, additional information of the vehicle. You can see the clock working. As I mentioned, 796 on the odometer. We'll go ahead and start it up. It starts right up. See the tach working. As I mentioned, the clock, temperature gauge. Beautiful red, the black interior, convertible. There's smoke coming out of it. The rumble. Shut it down and raise it up so you can see the bottom. Door shuts, as I said. Gaps look very good. It does have the original nose on it, as you can tell. Very good example of a 66 convertible. As we raise it up here, if you're interested in financing, we do have several finance partners that we work with, so we can get you financed. They specialize in classic cars, and some do only classic cars. So if you're looking for financing, we can help you there. Additionally, if you aren't in Florida and you're looking to have this shipped to wherever you are in the US, Canada, or worldwide, Kayla, who manages all our shipping, can certainly help you get that done. We can manage the shipping process door to door anywhere in the world for you. Again, we can ship this, we can finance it for you, and obviously we have the car here for you. If you're interested, please give us a call, 941-355-1955, or visit our website at classiccarsofsarasota.com. You'll see additional pictures, information of the vehicle there. As I mentioned, as we start to look at the bottom of this, you can see it was restored. A very nice job. It still has, or they put the markings as it would have coming out of the factory. A very well done restoration. The floor pans are in great shape. Side pipes, again, everything as it was designed to be. Again, floor pans in great shape. Car is in very good condition. As I mentioned, powered disc brakes all the way around. Again, you can see the markings, correct markings on the vehicle. Tire carrier, wheel tire, spare, excuse me. Again, if you are interested in this 66 big block, 427, 425 horse, in beautiful red, matching numbers engine, correct 4-speed, please give us a call, 941-355-1955, or visit our website at Classic Cars of Sarasota. Thank you.